for law enforcement, privacy rights often get in the way of effective law enforcement. So how do you balance the two in mobile driver's licenses?
That's a great question, and thank you for the question. So there's two things that we need to keep in mind here when I answer this question. The first is, Jeff brought this forward just a few minutes ago. We are in an optional world with mDL at the moment. So anyone who has implemented an mDL solution, the person who holds the mDL is also still required by most state law, and in fact, I think it's all state laws, that they carry their physical card, the plastic driver license. So in a law enforcement situation where a person refuses to hand over their mDL or to allow the officer to consume or read the mDL, the officer can ask for the plastic, just like they do today. That's not going to change. So for the foreseeable future, those two options will still be available. In a situation where the officer is asking for your license and you do provide the mDL, that the law enforcement officer is entitled to all of your data, and therefore there will be a part of the mDL solution would be that you would provide that data to the officer in the transaction. Yes, the mDL holder still gets to choose whether or not they do that at a traffic stop. But again, if they choose not to provide the mDL data, they're still required by law, if a law enforcement officer asks, to provide the plastic.